Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel Beauty and the Code. आज की वीडियो में I'm going to talk about अत्तर या perfume oils and all of these are from Fizza perfumes. Now मेरे पास 3 combo set है Fizza perfumes का and one is specifically for women, like 5 attars, set of 5 attars are specifically for women and 2 are kind of like unisex attars. So I'm going to talk about all of these today. So we have around 14 attars to talk about. Why 14? Because one is a combo of 5, one is a combo of 4 and women's fragrances are a combo of 5. So in total 14 attars that I want to talk about. So let's begin with the video. Before I do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Now, before I begin with the individual combo review, I just want to share some common points here. सबसे पहले Fizza Perfumes is an Indian brand and they are making these amazing private blends which are kind of like original in nature, and these are not something like duping or dupe situation going on. So I really love the originality that they have. Plus the gift combo box are really affordable. They are priced for 999 rupees, but they are at a discount rate of 499 currently on their website www.fizzaperfumes.com. Looking for gifting purposes, these boxes are very good in packaging and very giftable. Like these look very standard. Apart from that, if you were kind of like looking for exploring options in perfume oil and perfumes don't work very well for you and you want something that is very long lasting, you really need to explore perfume oils. This may be a good starting brand to try. Now, perfume oils are very potent in nature, like the purest form of perfumes that are available. They are highly concentrated, they are non-alcoholic and paraben-free and can be applied directly on the skin. जितने भी अत्तर हैं, उनकी सबकी पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरीके की है. It comes in a glass bottle. यहाँ पे वेरिएंट का नाम ओपन करने पे रोलर बॉल यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है. जितने भी अत्तर हैं वो आपको स्किन पे पल्स पॉइंट्स पे लगाने हैं. जैसे मैं अभी लगा के बता रही हूँ, तो आपको एक दिख रहा होगा ना, परफ्यूम ऑयल का एक फिल्म आ गया है. इसको सिर्फ डैप करना होता है, आपको इसको रगड़ना नहीं है, सिर्फ डैप करके प्रेस करिए. एंड द सेम यू कैन डू इट बिहाइंड योर ईयर लाइक दिस. तो आप अपने पल्स पॉइंट्स पे इसको लगा सकते हैं. आप इवन इन द इनर साइड ऑफ एल्बो भी इसको लगा सकते हैं. इससे परफ्यूम ऑयल पल्स पॉइंट्स पे लगाने से परफ्यूम ऑयल बहुत अच्छे से आपकी बॉडी केमिस्ट्री के साथ मिलके एक बहुत यूनिक ब्लेंड प्रोजेक्ट करता है. अगर आप इसको बहुत ज़्यादा रब करोगे तो हीट की वजह से परफ्यूम ऑयल का थोड़ा सा नेचर चेंज होगा एंड थोड़ा सा इसका प्रोजेक्शन एंड परफॉर्मेंस भी अफेक्ट होता है. तो चलिए, सब जेनेरिक बातें हो गई. अब बात करते हैं पहले कॉम्बो की. सबसे पहला कॉम्बो फिजा परफ्यूम्स का इज दिस वन विच इज मेंट फॉर विमेन एंड दिस इज अ सेट ऑफ 5 अत्तर कॉम्बो फॉर विमेन. स्लाइड ओपन करेंगे तो पैकेजिंग कुछ इस तरीके से ओपन होती है एंड यू कैन सी ऑल द 5 अत्तर सिटिंग हियर. ईच अत्तर इज अ 3 ml बॉटल. टोटल पैक प्राइस फॉर 999 रुपीज ऑन डिस्काउंट ऑफ 499. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं बहार की. बहार एक काफी टाइमलेस फ्रेग्रेंस है. इट हैज सैफरन मिक्सिंग अप विद रोज एंड सेडार वुड. इट्स वेरी सोफिस्टिकेटेड. दिस लिटरली फील्स लाइक अ बॉस लेडी. इट इज सो गॉर्जियस, सो सोफिस्टिकेटेड and very well put together. Next है Arfina. Now Arfina is kind of like sweet, floral, nutty and soft in nature. It opens up with plum and apricot, goes into jasmine, tuberose and some rose. Has creaminess of coconut, almond, some vanilla and everything is enwrapped together in sandalwood and musk. ये काफ़ी नटी फ्रेग्रेंस है एंड इसका प्रोजेक्शन बहुत सॉफ्ट है. ये बहुत ही डेलिकेट फेमिनाइन नटी फ्रेग्रेंस फील होती है. This one is a very rich yet very soft and very sophisticated nutty fragrance. It's also sweet. I think it's a perfect sweater weather fragrance. Next is Zeba. Zeba is a masterpiece in my opinion. It's kind of like fruity floral, but it's super unique. Opens up with juicy peach with marigold and raspberry. Heart of orange blossom and violet, and then sensual base of sandalwood, amber, patchouli and white musk. It's very playful, it's flirty, it's enchanting, it's very lively kind of a fragrance. It literally feels like sunshine in a bottle. Next is Farah, which is very delicate, floral, sort of green and very refreshing. This one has peony lychee freesia, rose and lily of valley, cedar wood and amber. This is very feminine, very delicate, very elegant, very graceful and literally can see somebody wearing like a white suit. Like this feels very white and pure in nature. Like it reminds me of the color white for some reason. Last one is Miss Fizza, which is very fresh, floral, elegant, very radiant kind of a fragrance. This has grapefruit, freesia and bergamot, pomegranate, lotus, lily of valley and white musk, cedar and sandalwood. The aquatic touch that this fragrance has along with the delicate florals is something that makes it super duper unique in my opinion. This is very classy, it's very radiant, and it is effortlessly feminine in my opinion. This is one of the best fragrances in this combo. So number one is Miss Fizza for me, and one is definitely Zeba, and my third favorite is Bahar. So that completes the first combo of 5 for women attar. Now let's jump into the set of 4 or combo of 4 oud ittars. Now this is something that I was very excited about because finding so many varieties with oud being the main character is very unique, and this is the one which is giving that oud energy. So this is a combo of 4 with oud being the main character energy here. So this reveals these 4 oud attars. Let's talk about these. Now the first one in this is rose oud. Now who is not aware of rose oud combination, right? This is like a timeless fragrance in my opinion, be it any generation. If you have not experienced rose oud, what are you doing? Like, if you are into oud fragrances, you must have tried rose oud fragrance, but this is still kind of unique in its way. This has teff rose mingles up with some bergamot, then has clove which is enveloped with musk and smoky aura. This is woody, it's rosy, it is smoky, spicy, like the hint of clove is bringing in that spice in this perfume. This is bold and beautiful. Literally a boss lady fragrance. Next is Dubai Oud, which is kind of like so mysterious. Like this is opulent and mysterious. This has smokiness of oud mixing up with some incense, with some rose and a kick of raspberry. I'm so into raspberry right now, and the moment I saw that this has raspberry, I just wanted to try this one. This also has some amber to add in some warmth in this fragrance. Dubai Oud has to be one of my personal favorites because the added hint of that raspberry and fruitiness, it's what it's making it very unique. Like it has like fresh juicy feel of that fruit in this fragrance along with this smokiness of oud. That combination is super duper unique, something that I have never smelled in my life before. And you know, I have 200 plus fragrances in my collection, and me saying something like this is very rare. This one has given me a good unique scent, so I love this one. Dubai Oud is my top pick from this combo. Next one is Golden Oud. Now Golden Oud is a little challenging oud fragrance here because this is quite raw, animalic, very pure, powerful kind of an oud fragrance. This has like a majestic and a masculine feel to it. It has spiciness of saffron, some nutmeg, and the oud meeting up with earthiness of patchouli and a touch of musk. So it's earthy, it's kind of raw, it's kind of green, it's kind of woody. It's all in all, it's like very kind of raw and animalic, and this is very masculine in nature. I think this is literally a man wearing a tuxedo, that kind of a situation. Like somebody who's very suited, booted. This perfume is for those gentlemen. Next is Woody Oud. Now, as the name suggests, this is very woody. So this is very woody, but it is also very earthy in nature. This one has rosemary, which is bringing in that green earthiness in this fragrance and meeting up with some spicy cardamom. Then has some sandalwood, oud, amber, and a touch of vanilla, which adds a sweetness. This on my skin literally feels as comforting as a masala chai. This is so comforting. Like the cardamom in this is super strong and literally feels like you have crushed the cardamom along with the seed and the skin, and you have put it in the milk and you are like churning it to create the chai. This is one of the most comforting scents in this entire combo, and for me this is the second best. Golden Oud is my favorite, and then this one, which is Woody Oud. So that completes combo of 4 oud fragrances. Let's move on to the third and final combo. This is the last combo, and this one is called as set of 5 Fizza attar. These are the 5 Fizza attars. These are unisex attars, just like the oud combo. The first one is Fizza Fresh. Now, as the name suggests, this is a very aquatic, very sea breezy, very ocean-like fragrance. It has freshness of sea notes mixing up with some bergamot, some citrusiness, and some woody nuances to it. I find this to be a perfect office wear fragrance. Second one is super interesting. This is Pineapple Kick. Now, as the name suggests, this is very juicy. It has this juicy pineapple opening, which mixes up with some kind of like white florals, which add to the brightness of this fragrance, and then the warmth of woodiness. This one does kind of remind me of Paris Corner Noof fragrance. Noof is more heavy on oud, so that is like more masculine leaning. This one, on the other hand, will be so good for any tropical based perfume. If you're going on a vacation, just take this one along with you and it will make a perfect layering combination along with some tropical goodness. Next one is Mukhallat Oud. Now, Mukhallat Oud is quite similar to Whistle the Harp, I think, because this one reminds me of Whistle the Harp. It's woody, it's rosy, it feels like a very dry wood, also a little incensey to my nose, has like some spicy kick to it, and definitely that dry potpourri rose playing in the background along with woodiness. Out of all the 5 ethers present in this combo, I think Mukhallad Oud is a little challenging. Next is Kashmiri Oud. Now, usually you will not find oud mixing it up with a lot of citruses, but this one is your citrus floral oud. It literally has some zestiness going on along with some white florals mixing up with oud and woodiness. This is also a very good wear for office. I think both men and women can wear this, and you can layer this with some aqua based fragrance. The last attar in today's video is White Oud. Now White Oud is kind of like a brighter take on oud. This is sort of citrusy, meeting some florals, meeting some brightness. White Oud is also a little bit powdery, and it does have like a clean girl vibe to it. This one is also super unique. This is best suited for formal office wear. So those were the 5 attars from the Fizza perfume combo. Now to summarize everything in a nutshell, these combo boxes are amazing if you want to plunge into the world of perfume oils. If you're new in the world of perfume oils and you just want to test and try, I think 500 is a very good price for a set of 5 fragrances. These attars are very strong, they are concentrated, and these perform really well in Indian weather. Plus, it is an Indian brand, so it's a win-win situation. So you're getting good quality at an affordable price. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. If you have tried any of the Fizza perfumes and you want me to give it a shot and share my review with others, let me know in the comment section. Let's make that area chatty. So much for stopping by. Please subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.